back of the and our arms are filled with the golden sea. It's always been a quiet place to harbor you and me. Our love is like a ship on the ocean, leaving sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Say I'd like to know where you got the notion. Rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat, I'll leave the boat over. Rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Up and down was the river. And I've always had the tender lips to keep me warm. Why you need to have the friends that the lows throw in. Don't let me slip away from it when love can see me through. Like a ship on the ocean, sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. Come on, man! Yeah! So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion. So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Say I'd like to know where you got the notion. Rock the boat, oh baby, rock the boat, the baby boat, oh, rock the boat, baby, rock the boat, the baby boat, oh, rock the boat, come on, my master, rock the boat, rock on, baby, rock on, baby, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, baby, rock the boat. Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when they say that you don't. Think about your mind. Think about your mind.
Ano sabi? Amel, ano ba? Gusto pa? Kayo! Wala. Sakit. Kala ko makakasama kami ng Laurel eh. Floating na?
Ay, di kasi sabihin, may information sana ako sa akin. Kasi all in all, nakatalagay.
Hello.
Je, tumayo ka na, Je.
Norly.
Ayan, sige na. Alam ko naman, may paborito kang kanta eh.
Ayan si Uncle Nelson yan na. Uncle Nelson.
Okay lang yun.
Kasi wala po may isang nakantang taas noon eh.
Hindi kahit na wag mo nang abutin.
Sige, hanapin mo na.
Bigyan mo ako doon.
Sino po singer namin?
Si Lani Misalucha. Lani Misalucha.
Ayan.
Ang taas noon.
Hindi, pagka mataas, umakyat ka lang sa Celia.
Umakyat ka lang sa Celia, abot mo na yan. Ayan o, number 4. Number 4.
Ayan.
May piyok ako
Labo
dito.
naman.
Okay lang kami, kanina pa pumipiyok eh.
Ji! Ayun na. Boogie Wonderland ba yun?
Ayaw mo naman record.
Ji! Ano naman, ito naman.
Ala, nakakatakot.
Bakit?
Ano yung takot eh? Mas magaling ka kumatasali.
Oh, yeah.
Ala, ayun.
Yung mga boses na yan, tingnan mo. Mga ano
Ala,
mo.
ayoko na.
Sige na. Ito naman, oh.
Sir, sana hindi kayo ma-disappoint. Bakit talaga ng boses ko yun?
Okay lang. Mapagtsatsagaan ba yun?
Ma'am, turuan niyo ako sa tono ha. Alalay lang po.
Yan.
Kasi hindi ka po siya ganun
Bukas na lang.
Kaya mo yan, Chang. Ganun eh.
Sige.
Kung alalay lang ha.
Oo,
Ito naman. Dahan-dahan, Benji. Dahan-dahan.
Play?
Bag. Romel, tawa ka ng tawa dyan.
Alalay naman.
Oo, kaya mo yan.
Ayun na.
Ano ba umpisa niyan, ma'am?
Naku, ito naman, oh. Ayan.
Sabi mo, mataas, ibig sabihin ano?
Makipot ka pa, pakipot ka pa.
Pero yung umpisa timing mo lang. Pwede po ang duwit na lang tayo, ma'am.
Pwede mag-duet ka mag-isa. Pwede. Teka.
Sa di tamang panahon,
Ma'am, samahan niyo ako dito.
kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo.
Sana noon pa.
Sana noon
Mel,
pa
hindi ka naman dyan. Pwede naman gumalaw eh.
nakilala sana noon pa nang ang puso ay malaya pang magmahal.
Sabi mo, duet eh.
Bukas na lang
Mamahali
Yun naman pala eh.
sabay sa paglalaya ng